I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Here is an excellent application of quadratic equation. We need to find the value of x and the perimeter of the rectangle given to us. Length and width of this rectangle is x plus 2 and x plus 1. Area is 20 units square. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So in this rectangle, we are given length and width. So let's rewrite. So area is equal to length times width. So we can say 20 is equal to the length of x plus 2 times x plus 1. So you can expand this and rewrite this as x square plus x plus 2x plus 2, right? Or you get the equation 20s equals to x square plus 3x plus 2. So we can bring all the terms together and rewrite the equation as x square plus 3x plus 2 minus 20 equals to 0. That gives you x square. We have x square plus 3x minus 18 equals to 0. Now this equation here, quadratic equation, can be solved in many different ways. One of the ways is to factor it. So we'll use product and sum. Now how do you get 18? 6 times 3 is 18. So we could write this as x squared plus 6x, right, minus 3x. And then minus 18, or directly factor, correct? By now, I think you are experts. So we'll use this concept of product and sum. So let's say the product has to be minus 18, and the sum of the two numbers is 3. So the two numbers can be one negative, one positive. The bigger number has to be positive. So 6 times 3, right? That is the solution. So we can now rewrite the expression as x plus 6 times x minus 3 equals to 0. Now that gives you two solutions. One is x equals to minus 6. The other one is x equals to 3. Now you have to think which is the right answer. Are both of them the right answers? Well, when you are given that the sides are x plus 2 and x plus 1, if you put minus 6, minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4, and therefore that will be a negative number. So we know the sides, these should be greater than 0, right? Both the sides should be greater than 0. Therefore, x equals to minus 6 is not valid, correct? So the only answer here is x equals to 3, right? So we get x equals to 3 as the solution for this particular question, correct? Now, if x equals to 3 is the solution, we have found the first part, which is finding the value of x. Now you need to find the perimeter, the second part of the equation. Perfect. Well, I hope you have understood all these concepts. In case you want to learn from me directly, you can always send an email on the address given. So now let us substitute x equals to 3 and find the sides, right? And then we'll find the perimeter also. So we have this rectangle, and if I substitute 3, what do I get? Well, I get x plus 2, which is now 3 plus 2, right? So let me write down 3 plus 2 here, which gives me 5, and 3 plus 1 on the other side, which gives me 4. And of course, when I multiply them, I do get area of 20. Makes sense, right? Now the question here is, how do you find the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all the sides, correct? So perimeter P, let's say, is equal to twice length plus width. So that gives you twice length being 5 and width being 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, right? So we get 2 times 9, which is 18. You can write units as the unit, right? Because it has not been specified. So in the very first question, we had the rectangle We could find the sides using the relation length into width equals to area. Solving for x, we got a possible value x equals to 3. So that gave us the sides as 5 and 4. Multiplying, we get the area, but adding them twice gives us the perimeter, which is 9 times 2, 18. Is this absolutely clear? Perfect.